Hey guys, it's now been 30 days of Django. So where do you go to the next level? Hopefully you have learned quite a lot of Django in the last 30 days. Even though you just learned the basics of Django, there is still a long way to go. I run my YouTube channel where you can learn a lot more about Django and also other technologies. I also have some premium Django courses on my website codewithstein.com if you're interested in that as well. And I think that after this introduction to Django, you should be able to follow along most of my videos and series. And that's also my suggestion for you. Just go through as many tutorials as you can, and when you're done with a lot of tutorials and you feel that you started to learn more, start building some small and simple project for yourself. And then you can go back to the tutorials if you need to refreshen anything. No one expects you to remember everything you have learned, so there's nothing wrong by going back and do a tutorial over and over again, or if it's just a simple part that you need to check up. So thank you so much for following along. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or if you have any suggestions for new videos I can make. See you in the next video.